Hey peeps, where's the one place I know our daughter is going to love but my husband hates? Yeah, we're gonna vacation there for a week. Let's go. Welcome to Vegas, people.
I mean, I never said I didn't like Vegas. I just said I don't see what the big deal is.
Which means he hates it, so the objective is to get him to like Vegas as much as possible, starting with check-in. So we just checked into the Park MGM, which was originally the Monte Carlo Casino. It was renovated in about 2016, 2018. It has about 2,900 rooms, 259 suites with a boutique hotel at the very top. It's called the Nomad. So let's go check it out. Now it's time to get something to eat. I'm famished. Alright, so nothing special. We are trying Raising Cane's for the first time, so we're not doing a big restaurant just yet. So we're gonna eat these chicken tenders, and then somebody special might come and visit us later. You see?
You like that beard? You like it? Oh, oh my God!
See, Auntie and Uncle, yeah.
Oh, Raphael, she do like you.
Yeah, she gave me. Let's go.
Come on, I can't. Can I let go? If I lay down, I'm over. I go faster. I can't do that no more.
So, left David in the room with Journey Bernie, so we coming down here to gamble. Raphael,
Yes.
showing out.
Huh?
We showing out.
I know. I haven't get nothing to drink either.
We had a whole 48 cents, amen.
48 cents. This heifer right here, he took me $5. I'm sorry. Took $5 from me. And she expected me to pay child support too.
My first casino gift, 96 cents.
96 cents.
The night is starting.
Yes.
It being good to us.
We just got gifted 96
96
cents.
cents.
Amen. Uh-oh, don't drop it.
Y'all got some more?
I got your 48. And she got 90.
96. Morning, people. Now it's time to go get some breakfast. Okay, so we just got back from breakfast. Now we're gonna take Miss Journey Birdie to the pool for the first time. Ready? Okay. Okay, so we just finished lunch. I am gonna take David to the Bellagio and Caesars. Yeah, can't really do much gambling, but at least we can catch the water show. So let's do that.
This is nice, but I mean, you can see that in Singapore.
It's hard to please, folks. But I love this hotel. Quick backstory. This is where I spent my 21st birthday. So shout out to my sister, who you guys saw earlier. We spent my 21st birthday here, and the Bellagio has had a special place in my heart ever since. So a little bit more convincing. Maybe I can get him to win some money, and then he'll like it more. Okay, so you said that the Singapore airport is much better than this. So does that mean we're going to Singapore?
Anything's possible.
Alright, I'm gonna see if we can try to gamble. Well, one at a time, because we can't take Miss Journey Burn in there, even though she might be good luck, so we'll see.
Okay.
Okay, so that was a total loss. I went to the roulette table, lost my money. He went to some game, I don't know what it
Slot
was.
machine.
Slot machine, but it was something. We didn't even understand it took our money, so we're gonna go eat.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. So we enjoyed our lunch at Ocean's 1 so much that we decided to come back for breakfast to give that a try. So let's see what we can get.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good, you're good. Already got a free scoop of gelato.
What flavor is this?
It's banana and chocolate.
All right, you know the drill. Daddy has to try it out, make sure everything's good. How's it? Is it good? All right.
It's kind of lit in here, y'all. It's lit. It's lit. Y'all.
What's up, Chef Roy?
It was so good. It is absolutely worth it. Everything we had, from the wings to
Kogi tacos.
the koji tacos, the fried rice, the kimchi fried rice, the music.
The bread.
Yeah, everything is a total vibe. It is worth every cent.
Go check
It's
out Brandon.
Brandon was our server, so he's amazing. Everything was a vibe. Please come to Best Friend. The rumors are true. Come here, and yeah, the experience is amazing. So it is about 11 o'clock. David is having his night out. His high school friend from San Antonio is in town, so they are out having a drink or so. So me and Journey Bernie are inside. I'm tired. I'm gonna sleep off this Best Friend food and get an early start tomorrow. Good night. Okay, so it is our last day, well, our last few hours in Vegas, and right now we're about to go to the Hello Kitty Cafe that's across the street, because I want a little treat before we get on the road. Let's go. The Journey doesn't look impressed. What do you think? Maybe she'll try it. She'll be impressed. It's hot, so I'll give her that. Yeah, okay. All right, trip is over. It is time to go. Gotta catch my bag.
It was real.
And he did say he's willing to come back, so I'd say this trip was a success.